Charmander, why are you waiting here? Alone in the cold and the pouring rain for a trainer who won't appear. Perched on a stone with a flickering light, holding on tight through the endless night. Left behind, forgotten, betrayed, but still he waits, though his heart is frayed. His tail burns low, but he won't give in. A fight for life he refuses to end. The thunder crashes, the wind cuts deep, yet he holds on, though his fire grows weak. Oh Charmander, oh Charmander, why are you waiting here? Alone in the cold air, the pouring rain for a trainer who won't appear. The night drags on, the storm won't fade. His tiny body shakes, but he won't break. A promise made, a trust misplaced, yet hope still lingers in his face. The rain keeps falling, the night grows long. His spirit trembles, but he stays strong. Dreaming of love that never was, love still waiting, though he knows the cost. Oh Charmander, oh Charmander, why are you waiting here? Alone in the cold and the